बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हम कैसे किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के, स्पेशली एलिफेटिक अल्केन के नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर फाइंड कर सकते हैं। नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स of aliphatic alkane. You must know what is isomer. Those compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula, or same molecular formula, same structural formula but differ with respect to the arrangement of identical group in space are called isomer. अगर हम बात करें मीथेन की, एक कार्बन एटम है और कार्बन की वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए हाइड्रोजन अटैच करें तो इट हैज़ नो अदर पॉसिबल स्ट्रक्चर। सो मीथेन हैज़ नो अदर आइसोमर। अगर आप बात करें इथेन की, इथेन में दो कार्बन के एटम हैं, इनकी वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करें and there is no other possibility for ethane. Ethane you can write in this way. You can also write ethane in this way. When you discuss about propane, 3 कार्बन एटम, वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करें बाय अटैचिंग हाइड्रोजन एटम। This can also be written in this form: CH3, CH2, CH3, or one carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Propane can also be written in this way. And there is no other chance of structure for propane. So, methane, ethane, propane don't have any isomer. But when we discuss about butane, 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. By combining हाइड्रोजन वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करेंगे हम लोग। दिस कैन आल्सो बी रिटन इन दिस फॉर्म: 1 कार्बन, 2, 3, 4. It has different possible structure. Second possibility is that 3 carbon atom in chain and fourth one is in branch. So, these both are isomer of each other. We can write this one as 1 carbon, 2, 3, and fourth carbon is in branch. Isobutane, and this one is normal butane. You see from here, when there is only 1 carbon atom, no isomer, 2 carbon atom, no isomer, 3 carbon atom, no isomer, but 4 कार्बन एटम के केस में 2 आइसोमर बने, नॉर्मल ब्यूटेन, आइसोब्यूटेन। अगर आप कार्बन एटम इंक्रीज करें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करें, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is called normal pentane. You can write this one as 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. Other possible structure of pentane is you have 4 carbon atom in straight chain and 1 carbon is in branch. This is called isopentane. You can write this one as first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth and fifth one is in branch. Third possibility, 3 carbon atom is in chain and 2 carbon atom are in branch. So, you can write this one as 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4 carbon and 5 carbon. When 5 carbon atom, there are 3 isomers. You can increase carbon atom. 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Satisfied valency. First possibility, straight chain, पहला कार्बन, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा और ये छठा कार्बन. दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी, 5 कार्बन चेन में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 1 कार्बन ब्रांच में. तीसरी पॉसिबिलिटी, 5 कार्बन चेन में 1 कार्बन जो ब्रांच में है उसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर दी. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज 2-methyl pentane and this will be called as 3-methyl pentane. Other possibility is that 4 carbon atom are in chain and 2 carbon atom are in branch. As 2, 3 isomer of alkane 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1. This formula gives us information about number of isomer of aliphatic alkane, where n is number of carbon atom. We will apply this formula for calculating number of isomer of different alkane. 5. How? Formula is valid 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1, but add n. What is n? Number of carbon atom. 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1, n is 10, 10 minus 4 plus 1, 2 raised to power 6 plus 1, it comes out to 65. Add 10 more, so number of isomer will be 75. And when you have 11 carbon atom, 2 raised to power 11 minus 4, 2 raised to power 7 plus 1, you will get 129. Add 11 more, you get 140. So, with 7 carbon atom, the formula value is 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1. With 8 carbon atom, formula value is 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1 plus 1. One more. With 9, 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1 and plus 2. एक और बढ़ा दिया. And with 10 and onward, formula 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1, similar formula plus n. इतने कार्बन एटम होंगे 10 और उसके बाद वाले जितने कार्बन एटम हो गए उतने कार्बन ऐड कर देंगे, यू विल गेट नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर। दिस टेक्निक, दिस शॉर्टकट, दिस ट्रिक is used for calculation of number of isomer of aliphatic alkane. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.